Zombie apocalypse.
Cigarettes in tiny liquor bottles, just what you'd expect inside her new Balenciaga. Cigarettes in tiny
Hungry.
liquor bottles, just
Nice firewalls. Very 2007. Smile for the camera. Boring. I'm in and you're welcome. I'm so treating myself after this. I guess. I don't have to tell you anything. Technically, nice knowing you. You got something between your teeth. Got access to their camp.